Hey, for the second half, I guess.
We're going to fly home now.
We're trying to fly back, but that's not what we're flying with.
Yeah.
We're not flying in the... That's the hotel.
That's where we stayed last night.
It's good.
So you can watch the jumbo video for that.
But there'll be another video, specifically a review for that. So... We're
flying home with...
SAS.
Scandinavian Airline Systems. And we're going to compare it to Ryanair.
Yeah, let's...
So we'll see you at the airport.
See you at Arlanda Airport. And we're at the airport now.
Arlanda Airport.
We're going to go to the security control, so we probably might have to put this in a bag or something. Have you drank all your water? Wait, we don't know where our plane is.
No, we'll just look at this.
And there.
Scandinavia.
It's not our plane. That's not our plane. Now in the airport, going to find our gate. I don't know what gate we are actually.
65.
So now you need to show your pass.
Happy with the seat?
Got a good view.
So you're going to have to film the landing again.
Yeah. Seat review time. This. It slowly comes down.
Table.
It's making it easy to...
Somewhere to put your phone as well, which Ryanair had.
Ryanair didn't have that.
You got... I'm disappointed there's no magazine.
There's a menu.
The menu. Ryanair had a menu on the app. Seat. Right.
Average.
Average.
Nice. Headrest.
Legroom.
Got good legroom.
Legroom's alright. Happy?
I'd say for my height. Like, yeah.
No way.
Your charge electronic equipment fixed with monitoring device charging. Contact with the
That's good. Then we can get home.
Easy. Smoke, please. Electronic cigarettes are not permitted. In an area.
Why would they not give you water?
Wait, you have to pay?
Pay for water.
Huh?
You have to pay for water.
Did you get a coffee?
Oh, now who's angry?
That doesn't make sense. The coffee's free, but water isn't free. Clearance to line up, right? And then we can line up, we're lined up, and then we just ask to land. They will ask to land. We're making our final descent. It's our final bit above until we go below the clouds, right? Sun. Oh, you can see the shadow. No, Western isn't up there. I think we're here now. been a lot smoother. Well, I mean, it was quite smooth, given that it's like this weather.
It is a grey day.
Guys, look at this. Look how gloomy it is. It was so sunny up there.
For the local time is 40 minutes past 10. We have landed
Oh yeah,
15 minutes ahead of schedule. For safety reasons, please keep your
Really?
seatbelt fastened.
That's
Keep
good.
seatbelt and table upright.
Still sat in our chairs.
Like, what time did we land?
39.
Have a good day, bye.
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 There is our plane.
So what's the verdict?
It's quite good.
It's alright?
Better than Ryanair. Easily.
The free tea and coffee but no free water seems
That's just stupid.
that's very weird. And
Like, you need water more than you do need coffee. But and they didn't really give out any lunch-ish.
I didn't see them offer any food. Maybe I missed it. But for a 3-hour flight over lunchtime.
So now we're gonna have to get Aldi's
annoying.
arrival bit, and then just find some like cafe or something.
Right.
So
Should we say goodbye already?
we can do something about like pop up on the top of the screen like the prices on Scandinavians.
What we paid on the screen, yeah.
Because like Ryanair's like what, 50 euros, but then like you have to pay so much more. Like, you've got like a big suitcase.
Yeah, so we took that case
That
and that little bag.
costs like 50 quid extra.
I'll put it on the screen.
And SAS, I don't know.
I think, I can't remember.
How much was this ticket just for us?
I'll put it on the screen.
Yeah. So, like our recommendations, I guess. Like, if you're looking for like a cheap flight with like a bag like that, we recommend flying Ryanair if you don't really mind roughness on the landing. But so we'll see you in the next video.